Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel, which is soon going to be LeanSimCorp.com. So stay tuned for that interesting update. Welcome to another interesting video on our industrial engineering series. This is our video 3 on work study, and we are going to learn about work study principles and related stuffs. If you haven't watched our video 1 and video 2 on work study, which is already available on our YouTube channel, you can go on our YouTube channel and watch the videos. If you haven't liked our video, shared our video and subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and share this video and our channel with your friends and colleagues who are studying industrial engineering or are eager to make career in industrial engineering. So let us begin our work study video 3. So the work study and method study is very important and crucial to be studied and analyzed in a factory. So there are a lot of principles which we need to follow while we are doing work study. So let us work on first thing, that is analysis of the motion, which is done in the work study and is a very important and crucial part of work study. So the motion or the movements of the limbs of the operator play a major part in manufacturing of the products. Okay, so the analysis of the operation when carried out in terms of individual motions of the worker is known as motion analysis. The purpose of the study is to design an improved method which eliminates unnecessary motions and employs human efforts more productively. So these are the importance of analyzing the motion of the human while he is doing or performing any of the work. So the steps which are being included in the motion analysis are that we need to select the operation first. Then what we need to do is we need to list and chart various motions performed by the operator. Then we need to identify the productive and the ideal motions, eliminate the unnecessary and non-productive motions, redesign the existing operating procedure by employing minimum number of motions by applying principles of motion economy, which we will be looking in our further coming video, impart unnecessary instructions to workers so that he develops proper habit cycle. It is very important. Check once again the procedure, and once the procedure is checked thoroughly, we can standardize the procedure. These are the steps included in the motion analysis which we will be performing for doing work study. Now this is the first principle, that is motion economy principle. So what is it? Well, let us understand now. So basically it is nothing but a set of rules which have been designed by Gilbert in order to develop better methods. So economizing the use of the motions, also known as the rules of human motions. Rules concerning to the human body are considered in this. Rules concerning the workplace layout and material handling are into this, and the rules concerning tools and equipment design and rules concerning time conservation. So if you could look, these are the 4 pillars for motion economy, which is human body, workplace where that human or the operator is working, then the tools and the equipment which the operator is using, and the time which that operator is using for that particular activity. So these are 4 important things in motion economy principles. Now let us understand step by step rules concerning to each of these 4 pillars. So first we have rules concerning to the human body. See, the operator is a very important factor in a factory, as well as it is the most costliest resource in a factory which has to be taken concerned about. So while we are doing work study, it is very crucial to have the activities optimized perfectly for the operator without making the operator fatigued, okay, without wasting a lot of time, without wasting a lot of money, and without wasting a lot of time. So those are the steps we need to consider. So let us understand what are the rules for concerning human body. So both hands should be used for productive work. Both hands should start and end the motion at the same time. Except for the rest period, the two hands should not be idle at one time. Motions of the hands or the arms should be symmetrical, simultaneous and opposite. Work should be performed with shortest duration of time and the minimum of fatigue. Motion should be smooth and continuous. Ballistic movements, wherever feasible, should be preferred. Should use mechanical aids to assist him, and the movements should be rhythmical and automatic. So these are the set of rules which needs to be concerned for human body. Now we have a rules for workplace layout and material handling. So definite, fixed and easy to access locations should be there for materials and tools. Okay, so the operator should be easily access the tools and the materials which he is going to use in. Mechanical devices to be kept close to the workplace. Gravity should be preferred for delivering material so that is not straining the operator. Okay, we are using a force of gravity to deliver the operator, so such that we will make a floor and then transfer heavy materials from the top to bottom, and so hands should not be used for non-productive activity like transferring the finished product. So if you have seen in a factory, we are always having a conveyorized system, or we have another MHEs, or we have different things which are used in order to transfer the finished product or goods from one station to another stations or to the warehousing. Then we need to have good illumination. It's very necessary for operator to work without straining his eyes and perfectly. For rest of the limbs, the operator should have access to comfortable chair, table while he's working. Heavy parts to be lifted using mechanical devices so that it is not straining up the operator's any like back, shoulder or the body parts and making him ill. So now let us look about the rules concerning to the tools and the equipment design. So tools and equipments are very important and crucial for the operator when he is working for the factory online, because those are his friends, and because of it his body parts are strained lesser and it is less time consuming, while higher productivity and accuracy can be obtained by using tools and equipments. So if you look at the jigs and fixtures and the foot operator devices should be used to reduce the workload. Okay, use mostly the multi-purpose tools so that single tool can be used for multiple operations, saving the time and the effort. Location of the tool storage should be easily accessible and the comfortable. Maximum surface contact between tool and hand is required to avoid slippage. When the work is carried by the finger, they should be equally used with equal load distribution. So you need to have this in mind, because these are what we can easily adapt and we can change these in our factory. Then we have the rules concerning to the time conservation. So time is the most crucial part again, okay, because based on the time every factory is always working on reducing the time, because time is directly proportional to the cost. So even temporary ceasing of work by man or machine should not be encouraged. Machine should not be running idle. Okay, two or more jobs, if possible, to be worked together, then should be done simultaneously. Number of the machines involved in completing a job should be minimized. Okay, so that this will ensure that we are following the rule for time conservation. Okay, so these were our 4 pillars of the economic principles. We will continue in our next video 4, work study about designing a workplace layout. So stay tuned with us. We are going to have another interesting educational content, as well as we are going to have this as industrial engineering content. So we will meet in another interesting video, understanding designing workplace layout. If you haven't liked our video, do like it, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, Be Aware, which is going to be a LeanSimCorp.com soon. So do not forget to visit our website beawarechannel.com. We are having exciting stuffs in there, so do visit there. So let us meet in another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay learning. You need to come to beawarechannel.com, and in beawarechannel.com, in the simulation tab, we are going to have in the subscription plans for this premium training classes. you need to purchase the subscription for your requirement. You can purchase it for a month, you can purchase it for 3 months, you can purchase it for a year. Here are the benefits which you will be getting by purchasing this subscription. So go ahead and purchase a subscription. Once you have purchased the subscription, you will get access to this training module and other all premium training content modules. Once you have subscribed to the model, you will get the access to the training class page, and once you get the access to the training class, you will be able to get access to the training modules, you will be get access to featured program, you will be getting access to the assessments, 3ds model downloads, and lot many more. So do not forget to purchase a subscription at our simulation tab in beourchannel.com. We are eagerly waiting for you to join us on a journey of education and learning simulation. So stay tuned with us, stay stimulating.